How do Akitas react to being left in a crate? When it comes to crate training, one of the most common concerns pet owners have is how their dogs will react to being left alone in a crate. This is especially true for breeds known for their independence and self-sufficiency, such as the Akita. Akitas, with their strong-willed and protective nature, may present some unique challenges when it comes to crate training. In this article, we will explore how Akitas typically react to being left in a crate and provide some tips on how to make this process as comfortable and stress-free as possible for both you and your furry friend. Firstly, it's important to understand that every dog, regardless of breed, has its own unique personality and temperament. While some Akitas may adjust to crate training more easily, others may find it more challenging. However, with patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, you can help your Akita develop a positive association with their crate. Akitas are known for their loyalty to their families and can often develop separation anxiety if not properly trained and socialized from a young age. This can make crate training more challenging, as Akitas may initially display signs of distress like barking, howling, digging, or even trying to break out of the crate when left alone. These reactions are typical for dogs who are not accustomed to being confined and may be anxious or fearful in unfamiliar environments. To help your Akita adapt to being left in a crate, it's essential to create a positive and safe crate environment. Start by choosing the right crate size that allows your Akita to comfortably stand, turn around, and lay down. A crate that is too small may make your dog feel confined and stressed, while a crate that is too big may encourage them to eliminate inside. Additionally, make sure the crate is well ventilated and cozy, with a comfortable bed and some favorite toys. By making the crate a pleasant place to be, your Akita will be more likely to view it as their own den and a safe space. Introduce your Akita to the crate gradually, using positive reinforcement techniques. Begin by leaving the crate door open and encouraging your dog to explore it at their own pace. Place treats and toys inside the crate to entice them to go in and reward them for entering voluntarily. Once your Akita is comfortable going in and out of the crate, start closing the door for short periods while you remain present. Gradually increase the amount of time the door is closed, making sure to provide praise and rewards when your dog remains calm and relaxed. This process helps your Akita understand that being in the crate is not a punishment, but rather a positive experience. When it's time to leave your Akita alone in the crate, start with short periods initially. Begin by leaving the room for a few minutes and gradually increase the time as your dog becomes more comfortable with being alone. It's important not to make a big fuss when leaving or returning to avoid creating unnecessary anxiety. Instead, establish a routine that includes calm and low-key departures and arrivals. Another crucial aspect of crate training Akitas is providing mental and physical stimulation. Akitas are intelligent and active dogs that require regular exercise and mental enrichment to prevent boredom and destructive behaviors. Before crating your Akita, make sure they have had enough physical exercise and mental stimulation, such as puzzle toys or training sessions. A tired and stimulated Akita is more likely to relax in the crate and tolerate being alone. In some cases, despite your best efforts, your Akita may continue to exhibit signs of distress or anxiety when left in a crate. If this is the case, it's advisable to seek guidance from a professional dog trainer or behaviorist experienced in working with Akitas. They can assess the specific needs of your dog and provide tailored advice and training techniques to address any underlying issues. In conclusion, Akitas may initially find crate training challenging due to their independent and protective nature. However, with patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, you can help your Akita develop a positive association with being left in a crate. Remember to create a comfortable and safe environment, introduce the crate gradually, and ensure your Akita has plenty of physical and mental stimulation. If needed, consult with a professional to address any specific concerns or difficulties. By taking these steps, you can make crate training a positive and stress-free experience for your Akita and encourage their overall